Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to the year 2023. Welcome to my first video of the year. How are you doing? So nice to make another video for you guys. Thank God for keeping us on, for me to make the video and for you guys to watch. So let's get right into it. I don't want to waste my time. So for those that have reached out to me to be under my mentorship that wants to start with me, I'm starting for the week this week. I will be starting my full trading mode this week, and I have so many things planned out. So please let me know. Let me know. So first of all, we saw a lot last week. Last week was the first week, so I wouldn't say it's a wise thing to trade or not to trade. A lot of people make good money, even those that traded the news, the NFP that happened on Friday. And if you made some, congratulations. While some, so DXY has been looking bullish from the beginning of the year. We could see a break of this high, giving us, an assurance that, okay, I think DXY is about to be strong for the year. But then the NFP on Friday came and boom, changed the direction. That's why you have to be very careful of news. Even when you have a very good setup and you are running in profits, always check the news, which is why I say this Forex factory is a lot helpful. You can just filter out for it to give you all the yellow, the orange and the red boxes. And whenever you see the red or the orange one, maybe you should close out your trade or take some profit out, so that even if anything happens, something like this kind of move, you won't be caught in it. You won't be caught in it. I was in a trade that switched up on me myself, right? But then it is what it is. So guys, you want to be careful. And that trade, I just took it like, I saw a very good setup. I was not fully trading then. In fact, I did not even do the full analysis. I just saw a setup. I saw another block and I took, and then so going good in profits, but then I was so sure it was going to hit my TP, but then the news came and reversed on me, which is good. It's part of trading, It's just things that you can't always escape. They are bound to happen, no matter how smart, careful you are. So guys, because of the break of this high, I still believe this thing is still going to be bullish. I still believe DXY is going to move forward, but then we will need confirmation. So what I will be doing on DXY for the week is I will be looking for a break of the high. It is, if we check very well, if we check to the left, right, we have a break of this high that gave something like another block right there. You can see maybe this whole area here, right? You can see maybe this whole area is a point of interest for us, this market to come into and react. We can see this is liquidity, right? So we can expect the market, right, to just tap into this area and give us a reaction. Now, remember, you have to be very careful, especially since the news gave a negative impact on DXY. You want to make sure you see a good impulse to the upside before you take any trade along with the DXY. Like I said, it's the beginning of the year. Not so many people are trading yet, although many people will join in this week, but then you still need to be careful. Don't be greedy. Stick to your plan. Repeat the same thing always. With your risk management, it should be good. So guys, I'm looking at this area for DXY, looking to see if I can get some sort of reaction here to take my DXY up. So in line of that, in my EURUSD, in this trade right here, I have this liquidity that is swiped already, and I have another block area. So what I'll be looking for is to sell this But then I would not sell until I see an impulse on the DXY. You know, if the DXY is going to move up, that means this is going to, EURUSD is going to short, right? So I will be looking to see if there's any impulse that is breaking this trend line. If it breaks it and retests it, I'll join it and, you know, ride it all the way down. I can take some profit here, then wait to see if it's going to go back to the full 100% downward. If not, I will keep looking, because the DXY can decide to keep going down and this decides to keep going up. But then if I see any form of reaction in here, just like I'm expecting a reaction in DXY, I'll sell my EURUSD. Same thing for GU. GU is at a zone as well. The DXY made it come back to retest here again. If we can, so I'm going to remove this. So same thing for GU. If I can get, so let me just put its own trend line there as well. If I can get a break and a retest, I'm going to join in and sell that one too, because liquidity is swiped there as well. So let's see. And our USD, I think I took a trade on our USD. This was a very good. So something like this is what we are trying to take on EURUSD. Unless, but in this case, it is to the upside. This was how the news made this other block respect, the market respect this other block. It came back, there was a break of structure here, came back for the other block and made the full 100% move, you can see. So the news gave this one this kind of move, which is a very nice one. So then we can still see if we can sell our USD as well. But the one I like the setup the most is the EURUSD. I love the way this liquidity is swiped already. And coming to this area, let's see what's going to happen, if it's going to take us down. GJ, I'm looking for a sell. I'm looking for a sell, although we have a break of this daily trend line and a retest. I'm trying to see if this trend line is broken. If not, if I get a break of this area, let me show you guys. If I get a break of this zone to the upside and a retest, I will continue buying then. But if not, I'm going to sell. So let's see. If this zone is respected and this trend line is broken and retested, I will sell maybe to this zone. If not, I'm going to buy and keep, because that means it's trying to hit the TP1 or TP2 of this clip that it has just made. So like I said, always wait for your confirmation. My confirmation will let me know which trade I'm going to take. So I'm not going to do too much. And the reason why I'm actually looking for another sell is because of this divergence. It's telling me this is overdue, might come down anytime soon. Or JPY, same thing. I have a divergence on it. I have my trend line. If I get a break and a retest, I'm going to sell at least to this level too. So that's what I have for you guys. Please, like I said, I have a course list explaining everything I'm doing. If what I'm doing is like magic to you and you need some real good explanation, please reach out to me. I will give you access to the playlist, my course list. You go through them. We have series of one-on-ones. I explain what I'm doing and you get to do this yourself. So I will be releasing some of my binary for my binary students who are starting trading this week as well. I'll be releasing some of the recorded sessions. I don't want this video to be too long. It's good to make another video for you guys in this new year. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for sticking it. Thanks for subscribing and have a good one for the week. Bye.